Welcome everybody, this is Jasmine beaming out from the Embassy of Peace Worldwide, doing a little update in our transmissions regarding our embassy programs. In our previous videos, we've shared about the need for individual self-mastery, self-responsibility, and how we can all fine-tune ourselves by the way we spend time, by lifestyle, to attain and maintain the rhythm of health, happiness, and harmony. And how when we come into this, that has a huge global impact. And how we have 12 beautiful pathways of peace that we know when applied will really fine-tune our world and her people, those who want to apply that methodology into that permanent state of peace. We know that our individual frequency signature is making a big impact on the global reality right now, and how deep in peace pockets are in our world, but how also every system on our world is being up-leveled, upgraded now. So let's assume that holistic education has really been adopted around all the world, all the different things being offered, but also maybe our Embassy of Peace programs, which so many countries have now enjoyed the results of. Some 20 million people have found their lives enhanced already by our lifestyle program and the pathways of peace, but now we have many more. Imagine a beautiful world in peace, in harmony, the song that that world will be singing universally, and the impact that that world, the nourishing impact that that world will have, not just on our universe, but on our multiverses. In 1940s, remember there was a lot of UFO activity coming in? This was after what we witnessed in Japan, in Hiroshima, Nagasaki. This became a big concern to other sentient, intelligent life existing in a different vibrational frequency in our universe and beyond. And so they began to make their presence more known. So our universal harmonization program, it offers courses like contact, the need for contact within ourselves first, to come into that unified state, so we automatically magnetize into the realms of others who live in this same state. Because there's many different types of extraterrestrial life, and some are very technologically advanced, but they're not that unified. They're not in that deep, multi-dimensional, expanded, experiential awareness of who they are at their core. They've just been around longer than us. So in the Embassy of Peace, we don't particularly want to connect there. What we want to connect with, and what we find happens, is that we connect in, if we're in the same frequency, with beings of the greatest love and greatest wisdom, and they're just fun. They're like family. It's like returning into a beautiful, deep relationship with cosmic, interplanetary family. Now, this is something I've been experiencing my whole life, but particularly after my brother died when I was 14. And I realized experientially that there is no such thing as death. There is formlessness, this infinite intelligence that has so many beautiful levels within it, octaves, you could say, musical notes, you could say. It has this pure love, It has infinite wisdom. It has so much power and benevolence. So we are connecting in our Embassy of Peace with this beautiful, loving, wise benevolence that so many are living in, tuning in, existing in consciously, called the unified realms. Some would call it the heaven on earth frequency, the Shambhala matrix frequency, because as above, so below. So many people have tuned themselves personally. They have a very beautiful impact, fertilizing, nourishing impact globally now. And they've also, by going into this pure frequency that is vibrating through the 99.9% space in our atomic structure, when we relax back into that and it becomes strong enough, we find we lose all our human hungers. And so our source feeding program at the Embassy is all about this, about supporting a physical, global, and universal harmonization, ascension program by increasing the dominance of this very pure frequency that is in the atomic structure, to the degree that we lose all human hunger. Now, some people, of course, will continue to take physical food because they love that. Why not? However, others find themselves in this journey free of that, and it's a beautiful way to be. But more delightful is the loss, when the frequency is strong enough, of mental hunger and emotional hunger. And then this communion, this bonding, this remembering, and this reconnecting with our intergalactic star being friends and family. So at the Embassy, it's just a joyous journey for when we remember who we really are experientially through applying the sorts of programs we offer. Then we can really relax into what has been termed that Shambhala matrix, kingdom on earth, matrix on earth, but also come into pure levels and just fun levels with our cosmic colleagues and friends. So imagine this, a world of healthy, happy, harmonized individuals whose presence on earth are bringing out the best in each other, and earth becoming an intergalactic civilization. There is so much we have to look forward to. We just have to get tuned to the right channels for this. It's all here. The fear, the anger, the challenging times, or we can use programs like at the Embassy of Peace or others and just vibrate ourselves individually and collectively into a different zone of operation. This is Jasmine inviting you to explore more of what we offer at the Embassy.